This is the DEPSTECH Rotary Tool Kit. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is a nice blow molded case that holds the tool as well as all of the accessories complete with a go handle. In the box you get the user manual, a bunch of accessories, we'll get back to those in a moment. They give you a flex shaft. You can see it's very flexible and that, so you can get into tighter quarters as such. We're not going to be demonstrating that in this video, and of course you get the tool itself. So as you see right here, you have a speed control. It goes from 1 to 6. Power switch on the back. The brushes can be replaced. Here's your lock, the little button there to lock the shaft there. And there's also a hanging hook on it if you wanted to hang it up, so that's kind of nice just like that. As far as the accessories, they give you a new, I'll call it a nose cone, that piece unscrews and you can put this on instead like this, and that's good for when you're cutting metal and things like that. The sparks that shoot out, it's kind of like a spark guard. In this bag here are a bunch of sanding drums, as you see, as well as little, I guess, cutoff wheels, it appears to be. We'll look at that a bit later. And in here, you get a whole bunch more stuff here. You get drill bits and other cutting discs, polishing buffers, I don't know what you call it, and all of these little grindy bits as such, which are useful for sanding and things like that. So what I'm going to do is let's run the tool up first with no bit in it, so you can see, get a feel for it, and then of course we'll test it out. So here we are once again, power switch on the bottom, it's on the lowest speed, and then you can raise the speed. It's infinitely adjustable, there's not just 6 speeds. And that's maximum speed, back down to minimum. This will run from 10,000 to 40,000 RPM. To install a tool into it, you press the button here. If it doesn't click in like that, or it doesn't depress all the way, just turn the shaft there, it will. And then you can loosen it enough. And we're going to use this little sanding guy over here and put that in. Keep holding that button and tighten it down, and then they give you a wrench. So again, keep holding that button, that locks the shaft, and then you can tighten that up in there, and now you're ready to go. Over here I have this piece of wood. This unfortunately doesn't stick to here, but there's a piece hanging off of it and another piece there. Let's see if we can sand that down using this. We'll go to kind of there for speed. A little more. Nice and smooth there now, without any problem. Let's see if we could take this little piece off over there. Let's see if I could do this a little closer here. A little bit more. Yeah, absolutely. That worked. And let's sand down over here. I'll get a little more speed into it. You can see the sawdust, and take a look at that corner that we knocked off. Not bad all around. And the speed is between 2 and 3, so plenty of power. This is a 180 watt motor as it is. Let's go ahead and take that out. Again, you want to hold the button. Now you put your wrench on, and we'll undo that. Unscrew it a bit, and then it will pull out. Let me get that out of there. Let's drill a hole. I have a drill bit in there now. Clean through, no problem. So that all worked very well as a drill as well as a sander. That's good. And let's move on to something else. Here's a wire brush, and this key over here is really, really dirty and tarnished. So let's go ahead and clean that up with the wire brush. I just did a very quick job, but it made very quick work of that. Take a look. That is pretty good all around. Not bad at all, just with the little wire wheel. Now let's do some cutting now. Well, not the straightest cut I've ever made, but certainly did the trick without any problem. So you can cut stuff as well with it. These are just a few of the things that you're going to be able to do with the DEPSTECH rotary tool. As far as I'm concerned, this is right up there with that brand that we all know that starts with a D. I wouldn't touch another one of those. I had one years ago. It was a piece of junk. This works far better out of the box than that ever did. And the one I had really was not that old. All around, I think it's a great deal. And they give you a lot of bits with it. So you can do a lot of different things. Whether you're a hobbyist or you need this for more serious applications. So once again, this was the DEPSTECH Rotary Tool Kit. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.